What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. I'm Gianna. I am a para-equestrian show jumper. Thank you for joining my channel and my journey. I am at Dunkin' Donuts right now. It's a Sunday afternoon. It's 2 o'clock. This vlog is going to be a little different. I didn't have one set day to film. I just kind of vlogged the highlights of my week, so I hope you enjoy. Hi, buddy. Let's get that good angle. Yep. Bye, handsome. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Did you just say?
I can make myself look like a terrible.
What the? You have to go lower.
Lower?
Go. Sink a little lower. Sink. Hi, I'm Ava, and I'm a chair.
So, hi,
everybody.
Hi! Good morning. Hi, buddy. Hi, Hi, come here. What are you doing? Good boy. Middle. Middle. Good boy. Leave. Leave. Good boy.
Good. So I picked up Chloe. Okay, I don't know what we just filmed because Chloe was holding the recording button down instead of just tapping it. What do you have to say for yourself, Chloe? Oopsies.
Look at you. Hey, buddy.
But I'm gonna show you the view. And there you go. It's funny because actually these boots have been sitting by my tack trunk for like over a year. I'm not even kidding. And I didn't touch them because they weren't mine. And then my trainer was like, are they your boots? You're not supposed to leave them out or whatever. And I'm like, they're not mine. I don't know whose they are. And they're like, okay, well, nobody's claimed them, and if they fit you, you can have them. And I was like, okay. Okay, when Rachel came, she got me some stickers and I decorated the laptop. I'm not gonna show you the bottom of the Dr. Phil thing. Okay, so Kyler's food is right here and he's on his spot. He knows he's not supposed to come off of it. And so now we're just gonna go in the garage and I'll show you what I have planned there. Okay, so the garage is a mess right now. I had to empty my dad's storage unit. Everything is kind of laying around because he had so much stuff. But we had containers and boxes and chairs and everything. And I only let him do this in the garage. And then on our walks, if there's like an elevated surface or whatever, he'll I'll ask him to jump up on that. But ultimately the goal is for him to want to do it, for him to feel confident enough to do it. So that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to build his confidence, because you're not that confident yet, are you, bud? Good boy. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. It kind of recapped the week a little bit, and I will see you in my next one.